Good morning. Hope y'all all doing all right. I'm fixing to go hit the river. It's 6:23 right now. Daylight's around 6:47, I think. So I don't have too far to go. It's about 5 to 8 minute drive. But I have got everything loaded up and I am ready to roll. Let's get moving, get over there, and hopefully we'll catch some fish this morning. The water has cleared up. It's gone down. It's gone down quite a bit, actually. We should have a good morning this morning. I'm gonna fish till around 12 o'clock this morning, and hopefully we will catch some fish. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're here again. I'm not sure which buff I want to use. There's the carbon, the camo, the flag, the other camo. I'm not going to do the redfish. I'm not red fishing, so I think I'll go Patriot this morning. This is the Salt Armor. I like their buffs. They're really, really nice. Use them all different ways, but I think I'm going to use this one this morning. Put that around my neck. I'm definitely going to take the old hat here. I may take this hat here too. This is the action hat. May give this thing a shot. I really hadn't used it that much. I need to do a review on it. A little bit heavy is the only thing I don't like about it. It's not bad. You get used to it. My Costas, my fantails, got a rubber piece. These are my wife's Costas. So you may see me in some female Costas this morning, but it's alright. I can dig it. The rubber piece on the bottom is like a rubber nose piece. It goes all the way from one side up around the nose all the way to the other. Well, it's come off. I don't know whether it got too hot just being in a truck, or I don't know. I don't know what's going on with them, but I think I'm going to use these this morning. They're not exactly my style. Polarized. They're not the color I like. I like the amber color. These are the gray, but you do what you gotta do. Alright, guys, let's get going. I think I got all that set up. New package from Upscale Lures. A life jacket. I have that. A pistol. Gotta have that. I think that's it. Alright, let's get everything loaded and get in the water. It is 7:16, so we need to be in the water by 7:30, if all possible. Right? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright. Super nice. Guys, I'll show you what kind of tackle I'm going to be starting with here in just a minute. Man, that looks nice going down through there. We're in the water, and we are here. It's 7:38. I want to get in the water by 7:30. Which ain't bad. Put my phone down here in this waterproof case here. Not that I got a life proof, so it is waterproof. I just don't want to lose it. Let's get our pedals down the water. All right, first thing we're going to try. I don't know if it's going to work very good or not this morning. We're going to try it. I've got the monkey butt color Whopper Plopper. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to cast this thing out here a few times. See what it'll do. Maybe we might get one first cast. Who knows? Tell you what, I think will work this pretty good. Got a little brim following that thing. I'm gonna turn around and cast back down this log right here. Go straight down that log right there. I'm a little bit worried about this morning. Recent app I got, a lunar app, shows it only being 16% this morning, or actually today, but now to about 10 o'clock, I think, 10 or 12 is supposed to be the best time, so. You guys don't know, Plumhead Tackle uses pretty much a regular style jig. This is the Arky head jig, and he puts a blade on it, split ring and a blade on it, and he leaves the brush guard on it. And what that does is allows you to work this thing through some pretty thick brush without getting hung up, and I have been totally impressed with it. Really impressed. So that right there should make that look a lot better to those fish. Oop, there's one right there. First cast out. Man, these things bite hard. Come here, buddy. Looky there. What'd I tell you? Plumhead tackle, bladed jig. It's Saturday, August 27th, around 8 o'clock, and here is my first bass of the morning. Nice little chunk, not nothing super huge, but a nice little chunk. Alright guys, let's get a release on this thing. How about it? Whew. That thing did not want no part of me. Very nice. I think I'm gonna go down the river a ways real quick, check things out, do a little road trip. Stay tuned, guys. That's something. I don't know what it is, but it's something. Oh, another little sunfish, I think. Was this one of these red eyes? Nice little brim. Man, he sucked that thing down in there. Golly. He sucked the whole thing down in there. I'm telling you, these little KastKing 2 baits are awesome. wish I could find me a different color. They catch everything. Let's go down a little further. I got that blame another catfish. Those that blame catfish love this jig. I swan they do. Come here. I seen one splash over there. I thought, well, I want to go over there just to see. And I'll be darned if it wasn't a dad blame catfish. At least it's what hit anyway. Little small catfish, a little channel cat, I think. Pretty sure that's what that is.
Like, comment, subscribe.
That's neat. That's a creek. I'm definitely gonna fish this.
They say that age kills the fire inside of a man. That he hears death coming. He opens the door and says, "Come in, give me rest." That is a pack of lies. I've got enough fight in me to devour the world. So, I fight.
Alright guys, caught one bass, some brim, one catfish, and I almost caught a gar. It was right behind it, and I was trying to slow it down, and you know, it's about there. But I was using the upscale lures, 3/4 ounce 4-inch spinner, and I just about got one to take it, and it's probably about that long. Pretty nice. I ain't never caught one before. I wanted to catch one, so. But caught a pretty little bass this morning early. I wish I could have caught more. It just didn't work out. Got to see what I wanted to see, and I went almost down to the dam, not quite. Saw a couple guys kayaking down through there. I gotta get to the house, I'm running late. I didn't know it was quite a haul back is what it was. Hopefully next time I come down here, I'll be able to catch a few more fish. I know a little bit more about where places to go, try to catch some. Anywhere down through here, it's got structure, rocks or wood or anything like that will hold fish. So
Let me know what you think about these shades. If you didn't catch the beginning of the video, or you skipped past that part or something, I'm wearing my wife's shades because mine's the fantails, and they right around the nose. The rubber's coming off and I can't wear them, so I gotta get them fixed. But I'm going to go put this thing back on the trailer, load up everything. It's gonna take a while. It's not an easy process, but it gets me down here and gets me back to where I need to go, back home. So I might go back up next time and fish the rocks. Not really no rocks above water down that way, they're all submerged. I'm gonna cut it off for now, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you don't know, I'm running a giveaway, so be sure to check out that giveaway. I'll link it at the beginning of this video. Catch y'all later. Peace. Look at that toad. Woo! Holy cow!